Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add a name tag in Movavi Video Editor. So let's say that the video is beginning and I would like to name tag right here. The first thing you want to do is just click here on the title, and there are three things how we can do that. The first thing is breaking news. I like it, that you would like have it here. This is the first tag I like, but the color is not that great, so let's delete this. You can also add clean contrast, and I will show you. And you want to move it, stay here. Wait a second. Like right here. See? And now you can have perfect name tag. And then you would just normally rename it, you know, like Stone Marcus. Easy, right? Let's see it. This is really cool. I like it. And another option is lower third. And look at this also. The video is starting and right away we got it. This is also another video name tag or a bar in a Movavi Video Editor. You can also make like subscribe to YouTube, which is also a pretty good idea. So let's say that I'm going to use this. And I'm going to color this red color. Full HD will be here, production will be here. I'm going to rename it Marcus Stone. And let's see how it looks like here. So the video is starting. And also this is like really great YouTube subscribe button could be. People will know because it's a video on YouTube, and this is how you can do it. So thank you very much everybody. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Goodbye.